In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram stories. What's going on, you fantastic people? I'm Joe. Welcome to Apps That Rule, where I bring you tips, tricks, and how-tos for your phone. Now, we all know Instagram is a useful tool for social media. A lot of us use it. A lot of us are on it all the time. Sometimes we use stories, sometimes we don't. Sometimes we just like to put posts of pictures and different things. But stories is a whole other animal, and what I wanted to specifically talk about today was adding music. Really simple way to do it. Let's jump into the app real quick. All right, jumping into the Instagram app. You can scroll through, you see your feed. At the top left, you'll see your story with the little blue plus button looking thing. Click on that just in case you didn't know how to add a story. Some people don't. It's gonna bring up the picture or the video that you wanna take. We're gonna hold down the button as if we're taking a video for our story right now. Let go of it. Now you're gonna see all the stuff at the top. You're gonna see the little download button and the link and the speaker looking thing and all that stuff. What we wanna do is we wanna hit the little sticker with the little fold at the bottom right hand corner. That's gonna bring up location mention, where you can mention people, you can add hashtags to your story, stuff like that. But what we wanna do is we wanna add music to our story. It gives you the option of popular, you can search by genres or specific moods, or you can search music and see if you can find your favorite songs. What you wanna do is you wanna hit fun, because we all like to have fun on this channel. That's what I want to hit anyways. We're gonna search and let's find a good song here under fun, and we'll just pick the Marshmallow Alone. How about that? I don't even know what that song is, but it sounds good to me. Marshmallows, I like marshmallows. You can scroll through the song and find the specific area that you want, or specific part of that song that you want to add. Once you find that, you can actually hit done, and then it's gonna add the music. Now this one doesn't have any lyrics or anything like that, but usually there's lyrics now added onto it. But that's how you add a song. I'm not gonna play it in the video because I don't want any copyright infringement things going on or anything like that. But then all you gotta do is add it to your story. So you could send to, and then you can send it to your friends, your close friends, stuff like that, or you can do your story, or you can just click the bottom left-hand corner, your story, and it'll throw it up there, and there's the music added to your Instagram story. Pretty simple on how to add music to your Instagram stories. It's a good way to spice up your stories for all your followers to see. Makes it a little more entertaining for them when they watch it. Speaking of spicing up your Instagram, check out this video I did right here. It's on how I edit my Instagram photos when I post them up. And if you haven't done so yet, give this video a big thumbs up, smash the subscribe button and the bell, and I will see you next time.